In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo. This is useful when you need to permanently remove a large set of profiles at once, such as outdated contacts, duplicates you have already resolved, or profiles that should no longer exist in your account. Before you begin, make sure you have a CSV file prepared with the correct identifiers. The most common option is an email column with one email address per row. Take a moment to review your file for typos, extra spaces, or blank rows, because the delete action is intended to be final. Once you are logged into Klaviyo, go to the left-hand navigation and click Audience, then select Profiles. This takes you to the Profiles area where Klaviyo manages all of your contact records. Next, look to the top right of the page and click Bulk Delete and Suppress. This opens the set of tools designed for managing profiles in large batches. From here, click Bulk Delete Profiles. Make sure you choose Delete Profiles specifically, since other bulk options can have different outcomes. Now click Upload a file and select your CSV. After the file uploads, you will be asked to map your columns. This is where you tell Klaviyo which column in your file contains the data it should use to find the profiles to delete. Map the email column to the email field. If your CSV has multiple columns, be careful to match the correct one. A simple tip is to confirm the column header name and preview a few rows if the interface shows a sample. After the email field is mapped, you will see a confirmation step. In the confirmation box, type delete exactly as shown using all capital letters. This is a safety measure to make sure you are intentionally performing a bulk deletion. Finally, click Delete Profiles to start the process. Depending on the size of your file, it may take a little time for Klaviyo to finish. Once submitted, avoid re-uploading the same file unless you are certain it did not go through, since duplicate submissions can create confusion during cleanup. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.